Hello rookies! My name is Doy and welcome back to my channel. So today, alam niyo na siguro ang gagawin ko. Based pa lang sa title ng video and what you can see here on the screen. Yes, I'm doing an unboxing video para sa mga items na binili ko from iHerb. Okay, I ordered online. Watch the rest of the video to find out what's inside. So yun na nga rookies, so today I decided to do an unboxing video and share with you the items that I purchased from iHerb. Okay? Actually this is the first time I purchased vitamins and food supplements online. Okay? Kasi normally, I buy them every time I get a chance to go sa Philippines para magbakasyon. So doon ko binibili yung mga essentials ko. But unfortunately, dahil nga sa lockdown, travel restrictions and travel ban, hindi ako makauwi ngayon ng Pilipinas. So I decided sa option of purchasing online. Okay? By the way, shout out sa friend ko, si All About Lorena, for recommending iHerb. Para sa benefit ng mga hindi familiar sa iHerb, okay? iHerb is a US-based online retail company which sells health products. So from vitamins, food supplements, beauty care and personal care, even items or things for babies and pets, even households, meron din sila. Okay? So you can check it out, www.iherb.com. Okay? And iHerb started in 1996. Okay? And right now, they deliver sa 150 locations worldwide. Okay? So, etong package na to, this came from US, from Chicago, Illinois. They have 4 warehouses. I'm not sure if it's updated. And they have 1 in South Korea. Okay? So, let's begin. Huwag na natin patagalin pa para malaman nyo kung anong binili ko. So, nandito rin yung favorite food supplement ko. Tara, let's open. Actually, hindi ko pa nakikita yung laman ng loob na to. Kahit pala akong idea kung gaano kalaki or gaano kabigat. Oh, well, nakita ko na pala siya online, pero personally hindi ko pa siya nakita.
So, this package contains 6 items. So, hindi to lahat sa akin. Some of them are for my friends. We decided na pag-combine na lang para makamura kami sa shipping fee. Okay? So, let's open. So, ang courier nga pala, Aramex. So, nanggaling pa to sa JFK. Okay? So, JFK then was transported dun sa Chicago. Yun yung nag-dispatch.
Alright. So, puno siya. And, so first, yeah. So, this is Mega Multivitamins for Men. Or from 21st century. This one, hindi to sa akin. Pinabili lang ito ng kaibigan ko. And this contains 90 tablets. Okay? So, based dito sa supplement facts, yan, marami siya. From vitamin A, C, D, E. Yeah. So, check nyo na lang online if you're interested. Okay? So, I got 2 of these para daw sa kanya, para matagal yung kanyang supply. And next one, yes. So, we also have here fish oil. Okay? So, itong fish oil also contains 90 soft gel capsule. So, sabi dito, fish oil is rich in omega-3 fatty acids. So, as we all know, omega-3 is good for the heart, and this is also good for the skin. Okay. Yeah, and also from 21st century, we have vitamin C. So 500 milligram, and it contains 110 tablets. So this is with rose hips. Antioxidants and immune system support. Alright. And the fifth product is Muscle Tech, a platinum multivitamin and high potency vitamins. So this contains also 90 tablets.
Actually, hindi talaga ito yung vitamins ko. So it's just so happened na naubos na yung vitamins ko. And when I check online, unfortunately, they don't deliver dito sa location ko. So I have no choice but to order a different vitamin. So I checked, ito na yung Muscle Tech, kasi Muscle Tech yung company na. So Muscle Tech is the #1 supplement company in the US. So let's try, baka this one works good for me. Kasi first time ko lang ito actually gagawin.
And sabi dito, sa packaging, it contains 18 vitamins and minerals, including vitamin A, C, E, vitamin B6, and vitamin B12. Yeah, so, hopefully, maging okay siya, maging hiyang ako dito. Alright? And yung, by the way, so, etong mga products na to, I bought this in Qatar Riyal. So, this one, this food supplement, itong multivitamin, based sa website nila, it's actually 29 Riyal each. Okay? I'll put the conversion somewhere here sa screen para malaman nyo yung converted price in peso. And this one, I believe this is 17 Riyal. Okay? And this vitamin C is 15 Riyal, pero meron siyang discount. So, I purchased this, so around like 13 na lang. And this vitamin is 41 Riyal. Itong one vitamin na to with 90 tablets. Okay? And, syempre, last but not the least, ito yung pinaka-importante. Actually, this is the reason why I purchased online, why I went to iHerb para bumili. So, let's check. Siyempre, my love and my favorite whey protein. So, this is actually from Optimum Nutrition. So, whey protein. So, tanggalin lang natin ito. Actually, I tried other brands na din in the Philippines, pero dito talaga ako nahiya. Ito talaga yung, I don't know, nagustuhan ko. Kasi yung other brands, okay, I won't name names, pero para sa akin, they taste like gamot. So parang hindi ko siya na-enjoy. And what's good with this, sa Optimum Nutrition, it offers different flavors. So ito, binili ko is Double Rich Chocolate. So, ito yung pinaka-favorite ko. Ayan. So, sabi dito, whey protein isolate primary source. Okay? Actually, yung whey protein is the purest, yung whey protein isolate is the purest whey protein form. Okay? Here, sabi dito, meron siyang 24 grams of protein per serving. Okay? Actually, since gumamit na ako nito dati, alam ko na meron pong laman na isang scoop sa loob. At yung isang scoop na yun, okay, it is 30 grams. Okay? And sabi dito, sa isang scoop na yun, it contains 24 grams of protein. So imagine kung gano'n siya kasiksik pagdating sa laman ng whey protein. Okay? And also, it contains 5.5 grams of BCAA, branch chain amino acids, and 4 grams of glutamine and glutamic acid, which is also good for muscle building. Okay, and it also helps para maging faster yung recovery ng muscle natin, especially after workout, kasi normally magkakaroon tayo ng muscle soreness. Alright, ayan. So, yan, sabi nga dito, 100% of protein from whey, gluten-free, banned substance tested. And yan, This contains 114 servings or 114 scoops. And this one is 7.65 pounds or 3.47 kilograms. Alright. So gaya nga ng sabi ko kanina, each scoop is 30 grams. Okay? And that 30 grams contains 120 calories. So, dun sa 30 grams na yun, it contains 24 grams of protein, 3 grams of carbohydrates, and 1 gram of fat. So, bakit nga ba importante ang whey protein? Okay, and what are the benefits? So, apart dun sa muscle building factors niya, it also helps in weight loss. Okay, and it reduces the risk of heart attack. And if you have a type 2 diabetes, it may also help in curing that. Okay? And one thing that I like dito sa whey protein is I use it actually as a meal replacement. Sometimes, ito na yung pinagsasnap ko. Why? Kasi it's satiating, no? So, you become fuller pag ininom mo siya. So this package costs 335 Qatar riyals. I'll also put somewhere here on the screen yung converted amount in peso. Alright, so yeah, basically that's it for the unboxing. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video and if you enjoyed it, don't forget to click the like button. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, don't forget to subscribe and click the red button below. So that's it for today, rookies. Thank you so much for joining me and see you again on my next video. Bye bye.